Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're gonna see how to make flashcards, step-by-step process, and how to make it without the book rings. So I'm gonna show you guys a demo of how I use these flashcards at the end of the video. So watch till the end. Okay, so now let's move on to the video. So the things you'd need will be A4 sheet, pencil, ruler and a punch holder. For the step 1, you're gonna mark the measurements on the paper, and the size of each card is 12.5 into 7.5 centimeter. The paper that I use is A4 sheet, but you can use whatever you want. Would be hole punching. So for that, the measurements would be 0.5 from the side and 0.7 centimeter from the top. Now just draw a rough circle or even just skip a dot so that when you punch it out, you would get an actual template, and you can use this as a template for the other cards that you make. Before the next step, I just want to make a note about the quality of the paper matters. So you gotta use good quality paper so that the pen doesn't bleed through while you write, because probably you need both the sides of the paper for the card. So moving on to the 5 DIY book rings. So the first DIY book ring is keychain rings. You gotta use something which is like not so strong. The keychain ring should be like kind of weak metal. I don't know how to explain that, but it shouldn't be like a strong thick metal, so that it will be easy for you to put through the hole and make it a ring, book ring. So the second DIY for the book ring is to use wire. So I'm going to show you guys two methods on how to use the wire. The first method is to make our keychain ring out of the wire, just to round it around the thickest marker that you can get, like that, as shown. Is ready. You just have to put it through the hole, same like the keychain ring, but this one is going to be easy because it's wire and it's flexible. And the wire that I use is the wire that they use to make jewelry and stuff, so it's more kind of a flexible ring. After you put it through, make sure to press it firmly so that it doesn't loosen up. If you want, you can even secure it with some sellotape. So the second method to use the wire is this method, in which you can add more and more paper whenever you want. So you gotta just make a V shape like that and just trim out the excess. When you have something like this, you have to just widen it up, put it through the hole, and then secure the end as shown. if you want to add more cards, all you gotta do is remove one side of the hook and take it out, and then just add the cards that you want and then put it back in and press it down. Simple. So the next DIY book ring would be to use twines or thread. So all you gotta do is just take a piece of thread or twine, put it through the hole and put a knot. But make sure to leave some space between the knot and the cards so that it will be easy for you to flip through the cards. So the next DIY book rings would be to use rubber bands. Yes, it's rubber band. All you gotta do is snap it into two and just tie it like how you did with the thread, and that's it. The last DIY book ring would be to use ribbons. All you gotta do is fold the ribbon like that and just put it through the hole and tie a knot like you did with the threads and the twine. So here's the demo of how I use the flashcards. I'm just gonna write and show it, but later on I'll show you guys my flashcard notes that I've did before. And if you guys want a detailed flashcard notes, like what I write on flashcards or something like that, do leave a comment below. So these are my flashcard notes that I used to write for the exams. That's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys are safe, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in my next video. Bye.